Hi, my name is Necee Regis. I'm an artist and a writer, and I've been spending the winter in lockdown from COVID on a hillside in Mexico, Mazatlan, above the sea, which is not a bad place to be, but we're still in pretty isolated. And so I was looking for things to do, and I got obsessed with all the birds in the neighborhood around me. So I found myself being obsessed by the birds, watching the birds, researching what kind of birds, and then I started drawing the birds because why not? So I have written a series of haiku about drawing birds, which I never have done before and never expected that I would be doing. I am painting birds. Why not? These flighty creatures capture my sad heart. A COVID project. Sketch all the birds that I see, like Zen, but better. Look, birds, colorful wee spirits who flit and fly. On paper, all mine. Lines and colors dance, goofy birds, whimsical birds, Audubon shudders. The planet still in lockdown, despair in the air. The birds do not care. Birds are my teachers. Awake early, sing loudly. Hope is in the air.